Hey guys, good day. It's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video is how do we add a hair to a person in Canva using your magic tools. So we can start by creating your profile, say a blank page, presentation. Then here we go to elements or bald. You can find a bald man. So we photos. So let's say this guy is bald. So how do we add the hair here, or how do we edit this text or image? So from here we will press edit. Upon editing, we will find magic here. So we can put magic edit. So after magic edit here, you press brush. Then from here, the brush size, so we can just click here, say we want hair here and hair here, or the brush, we can put the hair here. So we must be consistent with the brushes so that we know where to put the hair. Then describe, please add hair to the part I brush. With the help of AI, we just generate the magic edit. So here it's adding the air or doing its magic to edit the image to a better one. So if you have some photo shoots that looks inconsistent and you want hair, see, it does it way perfectly. Here we can see a very nice edit of the person. It already has hair. I think it suits him better. So that's how we add hair and utilize the magic edit tool of Canva. And we can do many more, just removing the clothes, removing the eyeglasses, or editing the photos. So once again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more Canva tutorials to come.